I've never done this before. How do you fix a flat tire? Step one is you open your damn trunk, figure out you've got all the tools you need, and you pray to whatever god you worship that this is full. Step two is you loosen these bad boys while your tire's still all on the ground. You use your brute strength to make them all loose and stuff. And now, step maybe 3 is you make this thing. Step 4 is you go take the burrito you had in your oven out of the oven. Pause the Great British Baking Show. Poke your burrito to make sure that the inside isn't frozen. Turn off your oven. Wait to eat the burrito. Hope that your neighbor doesn't come and talk to you. The torque wrench?
Yeah, it's so you don't overtime them.
Step 5, have your neighbor just come in and completely take over the tire changing on your behalf, even though you said you had it when he asked if you were good, and he said you were doing everything properly, but still he took over and just did it anyway. And be both upset, but a little grateful because you weren't entirely sure if you were doing it right, but now you're all dirty and your shirt is dirty and you don't even have the satisfaction of having changed a tire all by yourself for the first time. Men! Step 6, get burrito, unpause Great British Baking Show, continue to do nothing.